Good morning, dear students. Let's start circles. Students, in the previous sessions, I have already explained to you about the important remarks. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Students, you can see from the diagram, P is the point of contact and this line is the tangent to the circle because it touches at one point. OP is the radius, so these are at 90 degree. So students, in this way, tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Now students, here we have second remark. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Here P is the external point and from P point, PA and PB are two tangents and both must be are equal in length. And students, let's start exercise 10.2. Here we have question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है ABC इज ड्रॉन टू सर्कमस्क्राइब अ सर्कल जो कि एक सर्कल को सर्कमस्क्राइब किया है ऑफ रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर. आप देख सकते हैं सर्कल का रेडियस क्या है 4 सेंटीमीटर सच दैट द सेगमेंट्स BD and DC segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 and 6 cm. Find the sides AB and AC. Students, हमें इन sides को find करना है. इसके लिए मैं आपको सिंपल सा एक मेथड बताती हूँ. आप देख सकते हैं कि C एक एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट है and from external point if we make tangents then that must be are equal in length. So students, CE must be 6 cm. Similarly, B is the external point and from this external point we are making two tangents BD and BF. So students, these are must be equal in length. So students, we need to calculate only AE. Suppose students AE is x centimeter, then AF must be x centimeter because A is the external point and AE and EF are both are the tangents of equal length AE and AF. Now students, let's start the solution here. A circle with center O with OD is the radius 4 cm. Also BD 8 and CD 6 cm. We need to find AB and AC. Now here you can see the constructions. For construction, join OA. You can see here dotted line OA, OB, OC. Let AC, AB intersect circle E and F respectively. स्टूडेंट्स अब हम लेट करते हैं AC line and AB line both intersect the circle at point E and F. Now students, here we have the result. The lengths of tangents drawn from external point are equal. So students, in this way these two are equal in length 6 cm. You can see here and 8 BD is 8 cm. So BE must be 8 cm. Okay students, now let AE is equals to X, so AF must be equal to X. So now our three sides are CB, AC, AB. Okay, CB is what? 8 plus 6 we get 14. AC is what? 6 plus X and AB is 8 plus X. So students, we need to find the value of X. अब students आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं we find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle आप 9th क्लास में स्टडी कर चुके हैं. Heron's formula. Heron's formula is area of triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here AC is X plus 6, AB is X plus 8 and BC is 14 centimeter. So students, S is the semi perimeter. S हम किसे कहते हैं? सेमी पैरीमीटर. तो स्टूडेंट्स अब हमें क्या करना है, सभी साइड्स को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करना है, दैट इज द सेमी पैरीमीटर. So value of first A is x plus 6 and next side is x plus 8 and third side is 14. In this way we get x plus 14 and Heron's formula में students हम values put करेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं area of triangle ABC is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c under root. Put all the values. S is x plus 14, x plus 14 minus a is length of first side is x plus 6. Similarly students, x plus 14 minus length of second side is x plus 8. Similarly, length of third side is 14. So in this way, on calculating this, 14 to 14 will cancel out, and here you can see that x to x will cancel out, and in the third expression also x to x cancel out. And after calculating this, we get this term, 8 into 6 we get 48. So students, in this way we reach this result. Now area of triangle ABC is under root 48x square plus 672x. Now students, join OE and OF. आप स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ देख सकते हैं OE and OF are the radius and that must be perpendicular to the tangents at the point of contact. So students, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि 90 डिग्री का सिंबल बनाया हुआ है दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में. And here also area of triangle ABC. Students, area of triangle ABC हम already find कर चुके हैं by using the Heron's formula. Now we find the area of triangle ABC by second method. Second method is what? हम इस triangle को split करेंगे 3 parts में. 3 parts क्या है? Area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC. और स्टूडेंट्स हमें पता है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू एल्टीट्यूड. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 3 ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया मैंने इंडिविजुअली फाइंड किया है. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AOC. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी फ्रॉम द डायग्राम, AOC ट्राइंगल में 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. बेस इज व्हाट? 6 plus x and height is what? Height is the OE. So students, OE is equals to 4 centimeter, that is given in the statement. Similarly, area of triangle AOB is 1/2 base into height, and put these values. Height is equals to what? Height is again 4 centimeter and base is what? X plus 8. So students, similarly, if we take COB triangle, in this way base is 6 plus 8 14 and radius height is 4 centimeter. So students, put these values and add all these equivalent to the area of triangle ABC. So students, in this way we get here area of triangle ABC. We have already calculated this one. So put all the values, area of triangle ABC previous value by Heron's formula, and from here above we get 4x plus 56. Now students, आप देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट साइड में रूट है. Now squaring both sides. By doing this squaring on both sides, we get a square to root cancel out, and in the right hand side a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now आप देख सकते हैं students, here we have a quadratic equation. All the terms taken to the left hand side. In this way we get 48x squared minus 16x squared, we get 32x squared, and these are the x terms. We get 224x. Now students, you can see that here 32 is common from all the terms, so we take common here 32. In this way we get a quadratic equation x square plus 7x minus 98. Now make its factors. We get on factorization x minus 7, x plus 14 is equals to 0. So in this way we get answer x is equals to 7 and x is equals to minus 14. Side can never be negative, so we reject x is equals to minus 14. In this way value comes x is equals to 7. So students, put the value of 7 in the sides AC. AC is what? X plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is equals to 13 centimeter. Similarly, AB is equals to x plus 8 and 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 centimeter. So students, in this way we have calculated the sides of the triangle. So we have completed this question, and thank you for watching the complete video.
Okay.